Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your Navratris and praying to the goddesses regularly. So do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon to be updated as and when I bring audio videos. I know it's been a long time since I've not brought any new videos on new topics. I shall bring them back very soon. So let's start what the cards are in favor today. Card 1, it's a beautiful card, Chariot. So looks like some of you will travel, but let's see what is this travel indicated to. At the same time, I feel you will be having a parallel work with your boss or with your team, so you will go in equal lines. It will not feel as if you're left behind, or your team will not feel as if they are left behind. You will plan your work in such a way that everyone works together. Even in personal life, I feel things will go smooth and will go hand in hand. But let's see what is the travel about. Is it personal or official? So the second card is Ace of Wands. So definitely it's official related work. So it can be teamwork today. It can also mean that you are going to plan things and move forward as a team. But overall, because it's a Chariot card, I feel it's a success card and I don't feel anything will go wrong. So let me just pull another one card to see what it has to say. Okay, Page of Cups. So if you see, overall I feel it's a beautiful day and a day of content. If you see the Page of Cups here, the person is happy and smiling. So you will be happy that the day went good. Maybe you will feel happy that on the work front things were good and on the personal front things were good. Maybe today wear the color green, dark green preferably, and start your day with Om Namah Shivaya chanting 1 or 8 times. And if you get some time, take some pick a few packets of milk and give it to the nearby Shiva temple, where they can do the Abhishek on the Shivling, so that he is happy and he blesses you with abundance. Overall, a beautiful and a blessed day. So, and stay blessed. Thank you.